Hi, welcome to Point of Sale tutorial. My name is SHIBIN. Today we will discuss about billing software. This billing system is applicable for all supermarket, department store, retail shops and hardware shops, etc. In all our shops there is a lot of products we have, hardware products, mobile accessories, all the items. How we will make the inventory, let's have a look now. This is the home screen of our POS billing software. To add a new item, we need to go to receive items, add a new item. Here you mention your product details. For example, I have 10 numbers of desktop mic. I will just enter desktop mic. Model number also you can mention. Model number SF922. Department, my shop name I will put price also 900 rupees per piece, 900 rupees. Quantity 10 numbers. This is for a demonstration purpose only, this price. Vendor, you must enter the vendor. Okay, then save it over there. Save only. Yes. Now this product is already saved to your inventory. Now go to inventory, item list. You will see your product over there, which one you ordered recently. If you want to print a label sticker like a barcode sticker, you need to go to I want, select this one first, then I want print tags. I am printing in A4 size laser printer. If you have a inkjet printer also, you can use it. Okay, quantity I am putting 10 numbers because I received 10 numbers. Template you can choose. There is some templates are there for sticker. You can choose any one from that. I am choosing this one. It looks very nice. Price also will come, and barcode, your shop name, everything will come over there. Select it. You can see the preview before printing. Continue. See, this is the sticker design. You can cut it like that, each pieces. Then you can peel it and you can stick it in your each product. Okay, now I will show you how to print this one to my laser printer. This is A4 size sticker paper. Actually, you can buy this one even from Amazon. I will put this paper into my laser printer. Okay, I will just give the print command for my sticker. Print. One copy. Here the clear print already came with barcode and price, everything. Now you need to cut this one to fix it to our product. Also, there is already pre-cutted sticker also available in Amazon. You can choose that one also, so that you can avoid cutting time wastage and all. Here I have a knife and one scale is there. I will just make a cutting. Now you can simply peel off your sticker like this. See your barcode sticker. You can simply put it behind your product. This looks nice. Protected. Now you can just scan it and start selling your product. Our software and hardware having high speed data sensing capabilities. Just scan it, automatically the items will detect over there. In our software, just scan the barcode. See, just with a few clicks you can make the invoice for your customers. Just I am saving and printing it. I will print 2 copies. See, one more copy if you need. You can print 2 copies. It is very clean, perfectly. You can see this one. If you like this product for your shop, you can buy this product as a package from us. Our package contains 3-inch AutoCAD thermal printer and barcode scanner and billing software. The other 2 items like computer and laser printer or inkjet printer probably you have in your store. And our total package cost only 9,750 rupees including GST and shipping.